What is it about cars? Why do I spend hours on YouTube watching videos about other people's cars? Why do I have such a connection to these pieces of steel with 4 wheels? Enough of a connection that makes me eat, sleep, and breathe cars 24/7.
And this is just some of the things that I ask myself and other car enthusiasts ask themselves on a day-to-day basis. People go to car shows and they show off their car and meet up with friends, and the friendships that you gain through doing this makes being a car enthusiast all worthwhile. All car enthusiasts have an end goal for their car in mind, whether it's to get the best time in a lap at a track day, or it's to go drifting and have a great time. We all have an end goal in common. Show cars, drift cars, track cars, any kind of car you could think of. There's always going to be an end goal in the person's mind who is in the middle of building it. Love and passion drives our sense to be attached to these motor vehicles with these 4 wheels that's made out of this giant clump of metal that makes everybody just smile that much more. It's hard to believe that people that live in this world think that some cars are only meant to get from point A to point B. There's so much more than that. They bring people together in ways that they might not have ever been together otherwise. They help people to relate to one another, just like any other hobby. Within hobbies, you have friendships, and sometimes there's even language barriers. But when you're so dedicated to something that you can get past language barriers and work schedules to get together to enjoy one single subject, nothing that can do that is not worth it. Cars to us is freedom. It's expression of self. It's a creative outlet. It's something there to help us get through and do something that we truly love doing.
The opportunities are endless, and it all started with that turn of a key. Cars are a form of self-expression. My cars are my identity. It's who I am. That way, when I modify my car, it's an extension of my personality.
All of the people that all of us that hang out, we're all different in every possible conceivable way. There's chemists and IT nerds and college students, and someone's 20 and someone's 40, whatever. It's, that's, you're still a car person and it's still cool.
Unfortunately, today, car companies and other places around the world and different car enthusiast groups and everything like that are slowly losing their passion for cars because of the small percentage of people who give car enthusiasts and car communities a bad name, that do burnouts when it's illegal and all these other sorts of mischievous activities that just don't represent the car community accurately, and it's killing it. And unfortunately, that's just the truth. Because of these truths, car companies are not making cars with the car enthusiast in mind. They're making cars that are incompatible with today's modifications and other things like that. You can never stop a car enthusiast from modifying his car. But if the car is unmodifiable, then you get to the point where car enthusiasts start to become less and less and less. Fortunately, no matter what, no matter where you go, no matter what time you live in, there will always be people for a passion with cars and driving them. Whether your hobby is watching anime, playing video games, or obviously working on cars, we all as people have passion for something. Though everyone might not agree with what different people's love is, the people themselves know why it is what they love. So I encourage everyone who's watching this video, don't just see the car, see the people behind it.